10 things to know about newly appointed IMF Deputy Dr. Nigel Clarke, Jamaica's Minister of Finance and the Public Service. Dr. Nigel Clarke is to leave the government to take up the position of Deputy Managing Director of the International Monetary Fund, IMF. This is courtesy of Loop Jamaica News. The article will be in the description, so you can go click on it and read it from them website. Jamaica's top finance expert is about to shake up the world stage. But what do you really know about the man behind the numbers? What secrets lie behind Dr. Nigel Clarke's rise from local leader to global financial powerhouse? Hey, Patriotic internet friends and family, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're uncovering the journey of Jamaica's financial mastermind, Dr. Nigel Clarke, who's gone from playing chess in Kingston to making power moves on the global stage as the IMF's newest Deputy Managing Director. Stick around to discover the 10 surprising facts that make him a true force to be reckoned with. Welcome all patriotic Jamaicans. The movement continues. Make we get into it now. Let's kick it off. Breaking news, folks. Jamaica's very own Dr. Nigel Clarke is trading in his financial hat for something a bit more international. That's right. He's headed to the big leagues as the new Deputy Managing Director of the International Monetary Fund, or IMF, for those in the know. But before you start wondering who will be picking up Jamaica's financial pieces, let's dive into 10 things you absolutely need to know about the man behind the numbers. Buckle up, because it's not just suits and ties. There's some intrigue, some math wizardry, and even a bit of chess. Let's kick things off with a little history lesson, shall we? Number 1. First off, Dr. Clarke chaired the Inter-American Development Bank's Board of Governors between 2022 and 2023. That's right, he's not just crunching numbers, he's telling the big banks what's what. Imagine being the boss of the people who boss around your bank. Power move, right? Number 2, and before you ask, but what has he done for Jamaica? Let me tell you, he was the Ambassador of Economic Affairs and a senator in the upper house. So yeah, he's been keeping Jamaica's economy in check while sipping tea with the bigwigs. 3, he's also a business powerhouse. As vice chairman of the Moson Group, Dr. Clarke helped grow a Jamaican company into a global empire spanning over 30 countries. He started off trading derivatives at Goldman Sachs in London. Translation: he's been rolling in financial markets like a pro since day one. 4, but hey, it's not all work and no play. Dr. Clarke is the founding chairman of the National Youth Orchestra of Jamaica. Because why not throw in a little music to sweeten the deal, right? I guess numbers and notes aren't that different after all. 5. Let's talk accolades. Clarke has a shiny 50 under 50 Business Leader Award from the PSOJ and a Kiwanis Community Service Award. So if you thought he was just another guy in a suit, think again. This man's got medals to prove he's been putting in the work. 6. Oh, did I mention he's a Rhodes Scholar? Yeah, no biggie. Just casually earned a Master's in Applied Statistics and a PhD in Numerical Analytics at the University of Oxford. You know, just some light reading. 7. Back in Jamaica, he scored the Independence Scholarship to UWI Mona, where he studied mathematics and computer science. So if you've ever wondered why our economy is still standing, you've got this math whiz to thank. 8. Before all that, he was just a kid at Monroe College in St. Elizabeth and St. Richard's Primary in Kingston. Just goes to show, even the IMF's newest deputy started somewhere. 9. Dr. Clarke isn't just moving financial markets, he's also moving chess pieces. Married with 2 sons, he's a chess enthusiast. And you thought you were good at multitasking? 10. Finally, let's not forget where it all started. Born in Kingston to Justice Nigel Clarke, a Supreme Court judge, and Mrs. Mary Clarke of the Planning Institute of Jamaica, seems like the Clarke family has always been in the business of, well, business. So there you have it. 10 things you absolutely need to know about Dr. Nigel Clarke, Jamaica's next big name on the global stage, as he steps into his role at the IMF on October 31st, 2024. We'll be watching and probably taking notes. I must admit, Nigel's resume is very impressive, and I can see why many Jamaicans would be sad that he's leaving to go to the IMF. Look on the bright side. You can't blame a man for being loyal to his success and his ambitions. There's nothing wrong with that at all. And Nigel has to do what is best for Nigel. It's a big move. It's a big career step. This move even makes his resume even look even more impressive. The man is basically a math genius. The man is a math wizard. Good with numbers. This little breakdown into history, I can see where many Jamaicans definitely would see this as a great loss for Jamaica and feel like Jamaica is losing their best and brightest minds. No wonder the IMF sought him out. The man's resume is impressive. This man is basically a math genius. The man is a math wizard. Him good with numbers. From a primary school to Monroe College, it shows that the sky's the limit when you put your mind and apply yourself to anything where you want to achieve. So I guess congratulations are in order to Dr. Nigel Clarke's big IMF appointment. If you liked this deep dive, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more content that's breaking down the big news with a bit of wit and a lot of insight. Until next time, keep thinking critically and stay informed. Comment below and let me know your thoughts on Dr. Nigel Clarke's big move to the IMF.